Hello guys, how's it going? We're 20 and welcome to the third episode of Happy Wheels, I think. So, let's go. So, it's one with glasses that we have to break and... Okay. Easiest level ever. So, we go like this, bunny hop and then break. Oh! That's very easy. So, okay. And then break this bad ass guy. So, it's down. Easiest level. Oh my god, easy. Just let me pass. Come on. Glass. Don't berate me like this. I believed in you. So, I'm gonna take some speed and then... What? Let me pass. Ah. Easy. Easy. Easy and we're dead. Oh my gosh. So, what else? Peloton obstacle. Okay, let's take the grandpa here. So, what do we have to do here is dead. So, let's take this guy. Okay. That mine though. I got an idea for this. Helicopter guy. Come on. Okay. We dead. Is that gonna be all? So, what else? Okay, this guy can die, I think. So, because he has a yes, we're dead. Minecart. So, what else? Let's see here. Begin. My first level. Okay. This is my first level. Let's do this, guys. Whoop. Okay. Easy. Your first level is that? That's very easy, dude. Oh. And yeah. So, what else? Huh. Let's go up. Let me go up. So, Neon Harpoon Run. Harpoon Run is easy map. So, you can't take me. Come on. Nice. I don't believe that we died from that. So, let's do this again. We're Superman. And we died again. Okay, this hard. So, they're awesome. Huh. One vote only. So, this guy who created this map voted. Okay. Easy. So, what else? Huh. We're gonna take this one, the incredible truck. So, let's do it. So, what do we have here? Let's take the sander. Oh, let's give to the children. Fly! I believe I can fly. I believe. Okay. Hello, type climactic. So, let's see. Play. Okay. Oh, we picked the wrong one. So, we're gangster. Let's do this. That's how we roll. Come on. Give some power. Come on. Yes. Okay. 1, 2. Come on. Okay. I suck at this. So, don't move. Okay, man. I'm not gonna move. Relax. So, Timmy died. That's awesome. Okay. And I'm here. This guy's here. And then a little backflip. And then... Oh my god, that's awesome actually. I like this. Okay. Let's move. Okay. Oh, okay. That one. Okay, that's cool. I'm not gonna lie. So, oh no, do more maps. So, don't move. Let's see what we have here. So, done. I think that one we did it, so not gonna be good. I don't wanna play this guy. Okay, don't move. I'm not gonna move, and I died. Okay, that's cool. So what do we else have? So we got this. Guys, we're going. Oh my god, this ramp is so high. Why didn't Timmy die? It would be awesome. So, come on. I'm not pressing anything, guys. I'm not lying. So, okay. Thanks for playing. And, okay. That was cool. So what else? Huh. Don't move. Okay. Play this one. Is it one with the heart? Yeah, I think this one is with the heart. Okay. Just look, our heart is going. Okay. We can do this. Come on, heart. I believe in you. Okay. And then to the other cannon. Okay. And then like this. Okay, that's cool. If we could finish, that would be very cool actually. So, let's see if we can. Okay. Come on, I believe in you. Okay. And now I'm going up, I think. Oh, that's awesome, guys. It's like gravity. And the cannon, too. So, finish. Please. Yes. Oh, that was very cool. I like this. So where is the end? So okay, we go like this, and then the other cannon gonna take us to the other cannon, I think, and we're gonna finish. Okay, let's see actually. So our heart got into the cannon, and then to the other cannon, I think. Oh, okay, I got this. And come on, this is very much. I think that is all. So, no, why are you doing that to me? Come on, this is the longest one I ever seen. So, okay. Oh my god, this is very big, guys. Okay, let's keep going. So, the other cannon goes us to the finish line. Please, 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 please. Okay, I think it does. Come on. Come on, Hurt. Go faster. Come on. Ta ta ta. Okay, so this was the third episode of Happy Wheels, I think. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.